Alright, so we're going to be installing this dryer cord. Super simple, pretty straightforward. I won't bore you guys with my voice. I'll just time lapse this, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Alright, just like that, it's done. Of course, the one thing I didn't want to do, I did drop the ground screw down in there, so that was fun to get out. But other than that, everything went super smooth. The only thing to remember is this neutral jumper is usually over here underneath the ground screw for 3-prong installations. This is a 4-prong installation, so we go ahead and remove that jumper, double tap it under the neutral so our ground is isolated, and that is everything you need to know. All done.